All right, Coach D here, Brian DeFebri with Nicole, my daughter, and we are at Garcia Trail, and she's gonna climb it for the first time.
I am.
She says she's not nervous, but she says she's got butterflies in her stomach.
Got butterflies and excited. Yeah.
So she's gonna do this for the first time, and this is pretty cool. So as you can see, it's straight up. We've been here before, y'all know. Some of you know, some of you don't know. You got any final words?
Go hard or go home.
Go hard or go home. If you're not strong,
You don't belong.
but see, we'll say that at the top because
Yeah.
that's when we get there.
Be a better line.
All right, so here at this point, what we do is you put your head down and grind up the hill. All right, so that's what we're gonna do, and this should be fun. See, it's not too far.
Right.
How you feeling, Toots?
It.
You feeling it?
Yeah.
You're feeling it. And we've been climbing for about 2 minutes. I want to know what I'm feeling. I'm feeling that breakfast. I'm feeling that lumberjack slam.
I can hear you breathing.
You can hear me breathing, sure. I'm the one that's also loaded down with all the water bottles.
Too.
We only have to go that far. See that?
That's it.
What'd you say about volleyball practice?
I wish it was a little more intense. Just a little bit. Because, you know, I'm feeling it. But do what you gotta do. And it's fun. So, let's go.
There's our first victims, first group we're gonna pass, because we are flying up this trail right now. So we're gonna reel them in and pass them fast, like they're standing still. Go, Nicole, go. Make your move. There she goes. Look at that. We left them in our dust. Eat our dust. Yeah. Our next victims. Nicole's gonna check them out, reel them in, and make her move. There she goes. Look at that. There she goes. Around the turn. Take it around the turn. There she goes up the hill. Easy, Dad. Now you're breathing, huh?
Yeah.
Now you know why I'm always out of breath on my videos. And we're maybe halfway. Maybe not. There's the cross. I don't know where halfway is because I never look up to tell. I just always put my head down and grind like Nicole's doing. Atta girl. Calf stretch for the massive calf pump. Yeah. Whew. Okay, those people up there, they passed us down at the beginning. And we're gonna try and reel them in and pass them before we get to the top. Here goes Nicole. Whoa. That's how it is here. Nicole, we're at the A. Almost close. We're almost there. Just that final pitch and then the final climb. Come on. The people need to see you suffer.
I feel like that last video.
They need to see you suffer. It'll give them hope. It'll give them hope to persevere when all hope is lost. Just keep breathing. Oxygen is your friend. I can't reach with that arm.
Well,
Oh man, these people will not let us pass them. We keep getting close and then they pull away. But we'll get them at the final climb. Do not let them win, Nicole. Do not let them beat us. This is where we get them. There's your last climb. Yep. Straight up. That's right, we're coming for you. Look at her go. Look at her go. I told you we'd pass these people on the last climb. Keep moving the legs. Don't stop. Breathe. Keep moving. You can do it. Right there. That's the top. Air. In and out. Got it.
what do I do?
Just keep walking. Just keep walking. Go touch the cross. There you go. Bam. Kiss it. Kiss the cross. You did it. Whoa. That, huh?
It's bad enough. Feels good.
36 minutes. That's awesome. She did it. 36 minutes. That's good time for a rookie. First girl from the lion's cage to climb Garcia Trail. How about that? Bam! If you want uncommon results,
Gotta do uncommon things.
exactly. And if you're not strong,
You don't belong.
exactly. That's how we roll. Hey, so I don't know what else to say. You did great, Toots. Enjoy the view. Say, see you at the bottom.
See you at the bottom.
We're gonna roll down the hill now. Maybe slide. Maybe not. Bye.
Someday